Hey everyone, this is your host Zombie Allure, where they sounds for Unicorn Queen. I just want to ask for fast before I get this mukbang started. How my wonderful benevolent acolytes doing at the end of the world? Yes. How you guys doing? How you guys doing today? So today's video is going to be a mukbang video yet again, and I'm trying everything new today from Panera. And so what I got was a lavender blueberry lemonade. And I got a hibiscus pomegranate lemonade. Okay. So I heard that one was more sweeter than the other, so we're gonna see. So this one is the pomegranate hibiscus, and then this one is the blueberry lavender. Okay. This is very citrusy, while this is very bland. I don't know how I like it. Okay, and then I got, whoa! I got a sandwich. I got chips. I got bread. And I got a soup. So, yeah. I don't want the butter. I just want to try. This is the Mexican street corn chowder. And I got the steak mozzarella sandwich. I know I said I was going to do a Q&A, but I literally forgot to upload Tuesday's video. So I uploaded Tuesday video on Wednesday. So y'all going to have a back-to-back video this week. Okay. Don't make a mess. Okay, so. It smells good. I have a sip club at Panera, so I'll be getting drinks every 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't taste bad. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to. It's spicy. Oh yeah. So I was gonna do the Q&A this time, but next time I swear. I could talk about what I could talk about is a little bit about myself that y'all may not know. Okay, so I did, in fact, start posting online back in 2012, 2013. But I didn't start taking YouTube seriously until 2024, 2025. And that's when I started cosplaying and modeling.
My sign is Capricorn, and I'm a 90s baby. My piercings that I have, %90 of them I pierced on my own. I went to college for sociology and psychology and science behavioral health. I received my psychology and sociology and behavioral health, but I received my science and behavioral health, and I received my psychological. I can't even talk right now. Okay. So I did receive my sociology degree. I did go to college for almost 10 years, and in the process of off and on. And I received my science and behavioral health and my psychology degree. My sociology degree I didn't get because I still need to do Psych 1A and Psych 1A and Psych 1B. And for the life of me, I tried Math C, and then I tried those ones, and it just was really not working. So I never received that. I say I got it because, like, I know math is needed for statistic purposes and whatnot, but I took all the main requirements, which is Psych 1, Psych 2, and Psych 3. I started driving at the age of 16. Oh, someone's calling me. That was the dentist. I have a filling that came out, so I gotta get that fixed. So yeah, basically I went to college for a long period of time and got certificates for my AA for that. I got my license when I was in my 20s because I was too afraid to drive because I had lost my cousin in a vehicle accident back when I was 15 years old. So I was very traumatized by that, and I did not want to drive. I didn't even like getting on the freeway. What else? Damn. I love with a passion nature. My dream and my goal is to buy a ranch and have 10 horses. Okay. My main goal in life is to help people heal, help our common issues that we have in our society, I just love to help wherever I can. I tend to overthink. And I'm really, really hard on myself. Like a lot. My longest friendship has been 25 years. And that's with multiple people that is in my life currently. When you become a friend, you become a friend for life. So I do not like loud noises. It hurts my ears a lot more than the average person. I am a major plant mom. I have over 60 different plants in my house. One of the characters in video games was a major crush. We already know who it is. Master Chief, Mr. 117. I love psychological thrillers. I'm not a picky eater. I just can't decide on what to eat once I'm hungry. The way I dress is the way that I feel that day. I live really, really hard. I always and I say when I mean always, overshare. Something about me that people also don't know is that if you don't know me from back then, you wouldn't think that I was a fighter. I was. I fought for blood. I fought. You can get people stitches. I had not fought for no reason. Back in my day, if you wanted to sit there and say something smart, I would have socked you in the mouth. I'm not proud of those moments, but I am grateful that the reputation that I carried was, you talk about it, you better walk about it too. I was on the swim team in high school for a while until my pneumonia had affected me to be on the swim team. I had to remove myself. I was going to go places too. Scholarships and everything. My main swimming technique was freestyle and breaststroke. I have entered in tournaments for disc golf and won first and third place at one point. In the women's division, back then when I was young, I would steal people's animals from their backyard because I thought I could give them a better home. One of my favorite games of all time would have had it been Burnout, SSX, Dead or Alive, and Soul Calibur, and Ninja Gaiden, and Halo, and Dig Dug. I used to be vegan. My longest time of being vegan was 8 months. Until I got pregnant with my second son and all I wanted was meat. I am very much considering going back vegan, but more of a Mediterranean diet. The longest pet that I've ever had is my current pet now, which is Furiosa, and I've had her for the past 10 years. I had a cat before that passed away a couple years ago, and I had him for about the same time frame. People think that I burp and I fart for clout. I don't. I just really love burping. And I really love farting. And I really love recording it. And I like recording my sneezes. And I just like recording in general. I just like capturing the moments, you know. This is bomb.com. What else? I wanted to be a cop at some point, or a probation officer. But that never happened. I was told that that is not the life for me. What else? I I think that's it for right now. I really appreciate all the love and support, guys. You guys already know. You guys commenting and like just hanging out with me for this time frame, just watching what I like to post and stuff makes me really happy. Ugh. I really do feel like if I was consistent, like a lot of the other content creators on here that started in the same space as me, I would have hit in 1 million subscribers by now. But I realized that the choices that I made have consequences, and I realized that it's never too late to sit there and make your passions a reality and make your dreams come true. So I promised to myself that if the universe shall have it in its favor to have me get to where I want to get in my life, in this pathway, it will happen. And I'm not in a rush to sit there and become quote unquote famous, because it's not about the fame for me. It's about literally being able to reach people and meet them where they're at and enjoy that space of connection with people. And I feel like maybe that's why I truly wasn't ready to be committed, because I was afraid that the whole fame thing would have taken me away from my whole purpose, and that is literally helping people out and being there for people. My main goals is to like get my lymphatic drainage license, become a spokesperson, become a life coach, just actual integrating things to help people rise up, you know. But that's just me, you know. But yeah, I love you guys, and until the next one, bye.